Okay, as you can see, we have our 16 US dollar today, and we have news in just about less than 40 minutes. So we are looking at gold, and I just want to start from the daily. As you can see, we are like building up, like the gold is trying to reverse right there. You know, this all-time high. There's nothing that we can analyze on top there except the current market situation. We don't have any high rate right there. And as you can see, we've quite a bearish formation up there. You can see the market that firstly you can see the move. We have this big rejection here and this test of this area, and then we have a move down. So that brought up a big question to the last, what's gonna be the move for today? And you can see on a smart time frame, this is 1 hour, we have a demand right here, and from there we have this demand that I have just drawn right here. So I just want to put it below, but I want to start it from right here. Okay, let me just get it right. Okay, I think it's gone like that. Let me just analyze everything completely. And before that, we can see we have this area right here. So why I'm saying this area is stronger is because, you know, the market can be bullish today. So the market can be bullish today. I checked out the data. I don't want to go there because I'm not really much of a fundamental knowledge to give you like really insight of according to the numbers. That's not really, I'm not good at that. So I analyze technically, though I know it uses fundamental is what works, but I have my limited knowledge on fundamentals. That's why I don't want to go confuse you and teach you what I already know about fundamentals. But on the technical aspects of the market, we have that demand that is not tapped in there, right there. So if you are buying today, I would love to take a buy from here. So I would love to take a buy from there, put my stop loss probably just below here, and then I'll like, you know, it's CPI, so it can be bigger move. I'll probably like TP like somewhere a little bit far and stuff. So that'll be my buy right there. So I hope the market reaches there. But if you are selling today, then am I just gonna lose that? Because, you know, I'm not into a sell today. Like really, I'm not into a sell. So that's my buy right there, and you can see my stop loss like $8, which is useless on this smaller $16 account. And if I take another trade, that's going to be like $16 loss, which is the whole account. My take profit are unrealistic, so I would probably place the TP here at the supply. That would be a better TP. But if the market happen to sell today, we have also another demand that is down right here. We have a bigger demand that's down right here. This is the one we consider. The market may sell into that with a very, very big move, and then from there we can take our buys up to the up taking this high up there. So that's all what I anticipate for the market today, but anything can happen. So I'm just waiting for the news to see what happens later. So I'm gonna update you after news or during news. All right, we are back here. As you can see, we have like 1 minute and few seconds to the news, CPI news, and you can see where we put our trades. The market did not even like get there yet. So I don't know if gold today is going to do some manipulations. We have like few seconds, but I don't know, man. It's been going straight to where it's supposed to go for the past days. I mean, for the past months, and you know, I just wanna like really trade GBUSD. I wanna like really buy GBUSD because GBUSD and gold, they're obviously going to take the same direction. I wanna go full margin here, and you know, this one is kind of, to me, I'm buying. It doesn't mean I'm correct, but I'm buying. So as you can see, we have like 20 seconds. So if gold maybe goes down, we might see a tap on our level right there. So let's just see what happens in the next 10 seconds. Let me just go to my end race. You can see. Let's see if we are right or we are wrong. Anything happens right here. You can see it's time for the news, and then we lost right there. So now we go to gold. So you can see gold also went down right there, and I think that's just manipulation, and we are already like in negative $3. And you can see our trades in gold were like kinda correct. So you can see, but we are not tapped in. They are like correct, but we are not tapped in. So still, but it makes sense though. It makes sense because we took this low here. We took the low right here. You can see this is the low that we took with this liquidation. People who bought here, like me, I bought on GPUSD. Obviously, they will lose if they took more trades. And you can see we not like get activated. Our trades still right there. We're not tapped in, though we have a zero account. So let me just go back to our GPUSD trade that we took. So you can see it was all manipulation, and we actually correctly we placed our trades correctly, almost correctly, but we ended a full margin. So it count as a loss. That's a big loss for me right there. $16 is gone. So it's just a lesson learned. Though it's just a $16, guys, I know, but I know things like that happens. So it was just fully well manipulated. A little bit of manipulation, you can see how we got closed out like that. So you know, the work that goes down was really quite big. So we expect now the market to move in our direction is anticipated, though it not really reach exactly what it's supposed to reach. So man, it's just actually something that happens all day long. And now people can take buys. If you would have taken like a buy after probably a close of the first minute candlestick, which is somehow weird to me, I don't do that. Now we are going straight to where we're supposed to go, reaching our TP supposedly and stuffs. But I want to reanalyze this one. I want to reanalyze this, why maybe the market stopped somewhere there, but I still can't find anything really significant. Maybe I'm supposed to put my trade. If I put my trade like right here, let me check. If my trade was right there, let me check if I could have been activated. Yes, it could have been activated. So the other block where I put my my entry, I was supposed to put my entry like probably on the body, on top of the body, like it's not like in the middle. So good. It was a good trade actually. It was a good trade actually. The account just too small, and I ended maybe like really a lot of trades unnecessarily. So it happens all the time. So thank you guys for watching. See you again on the next video.